Alright guys, Red Shadow here. Got a little flea market find here, a Schrade SP2. I bought this with a handful of other knives for about 20 bucks from a guy. I don't know, 7 pocket knives. Still in pretty good shape here, it locks up good. But the blade's been kind of worn out and the tip's been broken, it looks like, or worn down, sharpened around or something. I think what we're going to try to do with this thing here is keep our blade flat. We're going to work the edge of this blade completely flat. And we're going to come from the spine here, the back of the blade, all the way down. So we're going to meet the back of the spine up to this straight edge of the blade once we get it flattened out. So I guess that'll be a Warncliffe, they call it, I think. But yeah, that's what we're going to do with this thing. Just going to shape the blade up, sharpen it, dust it out, pick around. Yeah, so that's all we got so far. I may take a little more off the top here, come down. But I think we're gonna go with something like that. Yeah, we'll just throw an edge on here and dust it down. All right, on our final grit here, 600. Just another flea market find there, little fixer. Turned out okay, kind of like the way that looks. Little Schrade SP2, clean up, repair. Got it oiled up, dusted down, got an edge on it, reshaped. Pretty cool little knife, I think. I'm gonna end up finding a piece of leather right there, some deer hide or something I got, buckskin. Little Schrade SP2, guys.